Nah, 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 nah. All right. All right. Make sure my overlay looks all right. Let's see. Something's getting cut off. Let's fix that. I think I can just go like. No, it's still. That's weird. What? Like, why? Why is it cutting that off there? Give that thing an outline? Ah, chat log mode. I don't know. Whatever. We'll just let that thing be cut off. All right, what the heck do I want to work on? If you watched last night's video, I got a bunch of these auto tiles done. I also put the mountains on a separate layer with opaque backgrounds so that we could draw the layer beneath. So basically what's happening is we have a bottom layer, which is for things like grass and walls. And then we have a path layer for things like sand and dirt here, which are auto tiles. Then we have a top layer, which is where all the objects go. And so like things like these transition areas, like the cave entrances, and then now these mountains, they draw on top. And they're usually, I use that top layer for things that we interact with, but it's also just for things where I need them to draw over top of the base layer. Typically when there's, some kind of opaque element to it so that we can see what's behind it. And on top of everything, almost everything, we have the water layer that draws on top. So it's basically just like making a sandwich. And you can think of this base layer as like the bottom bun, and then you have the paths, and you have the top layer, and just like the meat and stuff, and maybe the tomato slice, and then you have this water, which is like your condiments, right? And then the top bun, we actually don't eat it. We don't use that top bun as much, but that's in places like, I don't even know if I'm using it in these. We're using it in Tower of Gaia for things like this, where we don't want collision, but we want the player to be able to walk behind it, or so it seems, right? And so that way their little heads popping up or their sword, it creates a nice depth effect, right? You can see I'm using it on the columns as well. Anyway, did I freeze? Okay, so back here. But normally I don't need that over the player layer. Like, we're not using it here on the world map. An example of what we might use it for is like if we had moving clouds, but I probably wouldn't use the tile map for that. But that could be nice to have clouds, and then you have little cloud shadows coming down. I might make a little note for that. Let me see what I have on here for my to-do. It's just kind of like in general, puzzles, story progression, NPC movement, need care. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty accurate. Just like the general things I need to work on. Really happy with how this world map is shaping up. I think it looks a lot better with the pathing. Yeah. All right. figure out what the heck I want to work on. Like, what is the thing I absolutely should be focusing on? Maybe improving the GUI. I know I broke the GUI for some reason. I don't know what happened, but it's broken now. I can't even think of what would have caused that. So if it works, it shows up. We can go through the menus just fine, but when I hit back, oh wait, what? It's working now? Last night it was totally messed up. I don't get it. Why is it working in here too? Okay, yeah, see it breaks in here. And oh, I think I know why. It's probably because there's another GUI in here. Not the cave. See, Poppy makes an instance of a type of GUI. And I wonder if that is, get back one level. See, it's handling the input. We need to, is Poppy making that when they start? Yeah. So they're making that when they begin. What we need to do is something like set process on input through. So I think they are consuming the input to false up here. Wait, I'm doing this in the wrong. Yeah, I don't want to do this in here. It's going to be specifically in the recruiting station. Reset, hide, connect, reroll, if debug, do false, and I think we're going to override start. It's going to be like original, and then we're going to do this. True, yeah. And then reset, I think we're going to do this in here. So let's just see what that looks like. Reset, start. Put this. All right. Let's try it again. Make sure so we're still good there. That works. And like, I can totally back out of the menu. Everything's good. All right. Let's test it in here. All right, so we're good. That was the problem. Great. Love when it's a nice, easy fix. Uh-oh. Got another new bug. So slot, I think we need to do if item is null, return. Or do elif armor type. We need to do like item. But I have a feeling we have to do like this. Or if, yeah, if item. No, the logic we want. Like, I'll live. Let's test that again. Right, so you're going to go to status, you equip it. Yeah, we're good now. Because we need to be able to accept a null value for unequipping. So we still want to go down here. But if the item's not null, we're going to check its slot. Actually, I don't even know. Oh, this is just checking if it's equipable. What we could do is if item's not equal null, do these checks. No, let's just leave it the same. I don't care too much. If item is not equal null, then do equip. If not, return empty. Just trying to make a note here. That's what that's doing. Should probably have a function that's like can equip, but that's all right. All right, so we fixed that. That looks good. I think what I want to add here is to show the before and after value. Not necessarily right now, but I'll be right back. I'm just going to take a 2-minute break to grab a drink. Let's see. Put that up real quick. And So that's still good. All right, cool. Okay. Image and that. Already did that. So we're not showing quantity, is that right? I guess it's all right because buying is so fast. Right, so I'm going to print out item name there. That I believe is in a pop-up. Let's see. Yeah. It's this label. Is that just a regular menu confirm window? I just closed the shop menu. Yeah. So just need to find. Here we're just gonna do. I'm gonna try this thing. I think you do that. And then we can do like name. I don't know if that's right. Oops. Yeah, it broke. So I need to look up string. Let's see. Might not even tell me in here. Actual string. I don't know. I feel like that's more complicated than what I normally do. Then I just have to account for that size change. This thing we want. Oh, we do want you to fill. Now it's not closing. Okay. Don't duplicate names. So I'm gonna. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I wanted to open that. There we go. So I wanted to make a torch that we could put on the wall. Oh no, it has to be separate. That's fair. There we go. Just do that. Well, I put torches in here. What the heck happened there? Then drag that one. Single tile. Torch wall. Weird, I don't know why that's not animated. I'm on the wrong layer. Let's do this. Fourth times that one, right. Take that. Do torch wall for cell and torch. And just one, two, not too many. Is that right? There. No. What's wrong? We need one more here. There we go. Run Witch Castle. Let's go check. This looks pretty good. The idea is that you would walk up here, and of course you would check this path, and hey, look, looks pretty good. Do we need to fix how we draw those embers? They should probably draw over this. Not sure though. Whoa! Whoa! Wait, what? What the hell was that? Is it because we don't have... Wait, what? Is it like that in here? Okay, apparently apparently that broke. Our floor transition. Interesting. What was that -2 for? Let's see. Must be that. Maybe it has to do with the reparenting. I'm not going to walk there each time. Let's grab the player. Go down. So you're supposed to just hide that layer. Might have to do with the reparenting. That's a problem. That's fine. Here we do want that. I don't know if we do. There we go. Hey guys, you don't have any text. Need to give them like prison beds. Start making floors here. Also fix that. Where's that on? I don't know what happened there. It's kind of... It's that carpet. I never really got that fixed. Never finished it. Looks like it works all right if you're just doing 2x2. Like maybe not. Something like that. Oops. I want a big door here. Oops, not the cable. Do that. Make this like extra. Yeah, that's kind of cool. It's a big wall. Is that wrong path? I guess we'll keep it for now. It's weird. I don't know. Oh, those are on the floor below it. That's why I'm seeing that. Alright, cool. Let's drag the player up here to see how this looks. Where are you? There you are. So we're coming up here, trying to get a feel for it. This looks pretty good. For a castle, maybe I'll do double wall height. This looks pretty good. So maybe there's like a big open room here, like a small room here. A hallway down here, right? So you have a hallway here, you have some small rooms. So let's do the shadow wall first. It's gonna be like there. Maybe do it. Yeah, we'll try that for now. There. Let's do that. And changing those. And we're going to need one of these. Figuring it out as we go along. Oops. I don't know what happened there. I wonder. Yeah, it might be, if we're going for symmetry, I can put these torches there and we'll see the embers. Then if I add lighting effects later, we'll see that too. Looks like I should probably have torches that like will go on a vertical wall like that. Make a note. I wonder which half. Got some collision there. I don't want to fix that. So we turn that off. Oops. Just do that. Really? Oops. I think that's right. I don't think we want. Oh, that's from below. Yeah. I have the wrong floor though. There we go. Just gonna fill that in. Alright, so fix that. Let's see these embers. Don't see the torch. That's kind of cool. Let me clean up that water while we're at it. Why does this water look so jacked up? Something's not right with it. Oh, it's flipped. I don't know how that happened. Weird. It's like it only got flipped at some point. Maybe I wasn't paying attention. I had my brush inverted or something. That's all right. We're gonna bring this in anyway. So pretty much just have to clean up these edges. I don't want to go that far. Once I clean these up, I'm gonna just start removing a bit. Really would want more grass. Let me do like this, so I give myself a buffer. Turn that off. Yeah. Wrong tool. Man, why do these? Just can't win with these. No, we should probably keep it so the player can walk through there. I wonder if I can do this. Just have to fix these. A little more grass. Oops. Excuse me, why won't that undo? Wonky, really? We're gonna grab that. Oops, no priority. Excuse me. Good, it looks like I centered it pretty well. Not 100%, but we have 5, right? 1, 2, 3, yeah. We could have like a really big door, but whatever. A little asymmetry never hurt anyone. Crap, those are drawing. Over player. I think we need. This might need to be a top layer. Solid rocks, right? We don't want it to be solid. Just have another layer for over player, right? will be with the over player. Let me close that. Probably just make it a child of that. I think, you know what? It needs to be a top layer, but we just have to disable collision on it. And so we'll add a toggle. So by default, that'll be on. Put that there. Do false, and we do collidable. We run all that. Let's see. Change that. Put this up. So turn that off on that one, and now I have this extra layer. It should still spawn the particles, but we won't collide with it. There we go. Yep. Beautiful. We're getting somewhere, little by little. Cool. Oh, effer. Why is it turning that on? I went a little too jacked up. But maybe this side's been flooded more. I think it can work. And the columns. Do we want it? We do want it right up. Okay, let's see. We have how much spacing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Goes on over player. I wonder if that should be under the water. Oh, the wall torches are not solid. That makes sense. Take that one out. Stands to reasons that some of these would be taken out completely. Like that one, maybe. Yeah. Oh, maybe less is more. Just one more variety. That's pretty good. A little too many of those. All right. Oops. Fix that. 1, 2, 3. I think that's right. Yeah. So the main floor. That's not right. Over player, we do we go. Why can't it undo? Whatever. Why is my undo not working? Oh, I think it's time for a reload. Alright, undo is back to working. Get a button in here. I don't know what happened there. There we go. Main floor. Yeah, I think we need a 4x4 door. That looks good. That's fine for now. Sand is good. Leave that open. Two doors down here. Excuse me. Oh. So just to get the ball rolling, we're going to do this. Just go like that. Boom, 4x4 door. Now we want, this might have to be separate. So I think I want to animate it. Yep, it's going to be an animated tile. So we're going to do new. That's a good. And we're going to do like a double door. So first off, my Sharia. So that maybe it's not wooden. If we look at Something like that. Maybe we just do wooden for now. I want to make the House of Healing soon. And things like stoves and swords for the wall and stuff like that. Bigger columns. But the main thing we need right now is a door. And a big one. If we just keep those, we'll do large planks for that, and we can have like a detail there. It's a little big. Okay. Fix that later. Looks pretty good. Easy. It's easy. It can't be a spreadsheet. Save as. Save copy as. So just open that. 3 frames. One shot. Do faster. We could have it be slower here. And probably a little bit slower here too. Maybe a little bit too much. Something like that. Maybe on here. Loop. Wonder how this will work if I do it as one tile. Give it a shot. I know it'll probably draw okay. Oops. Did I just lose my frame? Oh. Okay. So that looks okay. We can fine tune that later. Let's see if we can get it functional. So door tiles. Right here. Yeah, it begins with door. And I think the difference would be when we open the door. Door wooden. That's just what for the sound. Like this. So it is wooden. All we want to do is draw this as large. So we do. I need to look up how to play that tile. I just have to have a connection to the resource. The only problem is that'll open each door. Right, if we have multiple big doors in the scene, I don't know if that'll be a problem right now. So we might just do something like this for now. Oops. We do. Um, Not that. Oops. Current frame. Pause. Animation happens so fast. And as I thought, it only triggers up there. Just change this to an atlas. Oh, oops. That's not right. There we go. Get rid of that. There we go. Do want to slow that down a bit. Let's see if it's even animated. It's just instantly going. So we go there. I don't get it. Now it's playing. Don't get it. Just goes right to that. I do 1 frame per second. Let's see. Okay, that does work. I don't know why it goes so much faster in here. And that goes instantly. If I do anything over 2 FPS, it just fires right away. Alright, we'll keep that for now. Let's see. Oof. That one, that one's definitely a fart. Like they're trying to hide that as a fart, as a door, but it's totally a fart. Did I download that already? Yeah, that one's kind of cool. These just sound like farts. Oh man, I didn't realize for to be a door gaffer, you just need to eat a lot of beans. That's good. A little bit slow. That would be the best for right now. If we're doing that, then we'll just do that. Maybe it's looping. And really want to slow it down even more. I could type. Let's try that. Dude, it goes so fast. Now we need background music. Did I already put? Let's see, do you have music? You do have music. Definitely does not need that. That was the wrong one. These are from my other game. They don't really fit. That's from Mystic Quest. We're open. Get some of my music going. Oh, jeez. Nice. That could be good. New York and New Jersey. This monkey's gone to heaven. Gone to heaven. Dun, 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 dun. What do we call it? Oh, it's not in there. Heaven, this monkey's gone to heaven. From oh. Pause that so I can get the vibe. This will crash, yeah, because it didn't have time to get anything. Let's... I don't think, yeah, we don't have a floor. I don't have any data there, so right now I'm on the top floor, but it's like there's nothing there. Alright, we're gonna, oops, hide that again. I'm gonna go back to my music, oops. Well, that is the wrong vibe. That's like always the wrong vibe. Can we get some fun? Oh, well, that's a good one. Alright. You're right. I should delete that. Thank you. Thank you, Godot. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is a really, really big environment. Just gonna copy this. And so we do that. Jolie, Jolie. Oops. Let's go. Need to make that. All right, cool. That's my background. So that'll work. Jolie, Jolie. Get rid of that. There we go. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 down. Stairs. It's going to be this. 2, 3, right? All right, cool. So now we have an upstairs there. Make sure I have this music turned off good. And also it's the wrong. What do we do down here? There we go. What is it here? Shoot, I was on the wrong layer. There we go. I think we're not gonna have that. We'll worry about changing the layout later. This looks pretty good. I think what I need to do is start automatically creating walls. You can see I'm kind of like sandwiching these things. I might even make the walls higher on here. Do like 6. So when we go up, you'll see it'll be even higher. Yeah. Okay, but if we're gonna do that, we're gonna have to start filling that in. But I would like to not cover that. So we'd probably make another layer on each floor that just has the walls that only show when we are on the floor above it. So I can test that out real quick. Behind the second floor. Maybe it's gonna be another, and this one will go. Layer top. So it's like then show oh, show on, on. So it's going to be, I think, the bottom layer. And so I think for like a default, just do this. Okay, this has to be over this though. So I'm just going to fill this in. And oops. We want to show the door, I think. And those. We're going to do Yeah, it did not work. Oh, we have to do the previous floor. That first. Mm, 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 mm. We're gonna have to solve that later. I think that looks better, honestly. I mean, if we're gonna do those, like showing those walls, like this, I'm gonna have to decorate those too. I don't think I want all that. I don't think it looks better either. Could have. All right, I'm gonna take a break. Have a great day.